Route 68. I believe it's Tennessee 68. We are south and west of Knoxville. Me and my baby. Southwest of Knoxville. Took US 70 from just west of or east of Nashville, most of the way across. It sort of paralleled Interstate 40. So the next interstate I see is going to be I-75, and I'm going to pass under it. So I've put, let's see, 149 miles on it, and only the first 30 of that were interstate. It is now 2 o'clock. Yeah, I'm in the Eastern time zone now, so 2 p.m. Eastern. And it's been a pretty day, a little bit of rain, some overcast and clouds like you see. But overall, a pleasant drive so far. We are now to the east of I-75. This is still Route 68. I'm going to get up here to a place called Tellico Plains. And this came through a little, very, very short rainstorm. You can see the clouds. There's a darkened right through the trees there. There's some dark clouds there, and then it lightens up as we get in front of us. You may be able to see that mountain. My finger in the way. There. I'm going to go through that mountain range and end up over there in Greenville. And then Greenville down to the house is right around 500. A hop, skip, and a jump. I can do it all on the freeway. So if I want to, I'll probably do that tomorrow. It's been a really pretty drive so far. A little bit of construction, but no big deal. Much better, much less stress, much more fun than the interstate, that's for sure. This is what I've been waiting for, or at least a portion of it. It's going to get better. We are going to the Cherokee Wildlife Management Area. This is sort of almost straight south of Knoxville now, a little, maybe slightly southwest still. This is Highway 165. This is Tennessee State route. Doing 58 miles an hour. This is probably marked at a 30-mile-an-hour turn. And that's what I want to watch for, obviously. Parking areas where there's a cop sitting. This reminds me a lot of the Pacific Northwest. These roads. With the beautiful trees and the rivers right along the road. Of course, not unusual to have a river next to a road in the mountains. But this is why I came this way, for roads like this. Get out of the way, minivan. It's about a minute and a half before I finish the last video. Beautiful river with some rapids, rapids, just a little bit of. Guess those are rapids. There's my baby. An idea of the countryside, mountain road. And if I look at the GPS, it's like whoa, 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 whoa up ahead. So this is my favorite part of taking roads like this. The water is just hard to see, I know, in the video. I mean, let's see if I can zoom. Yeah, it's just crystal clear. If you can see that right there, I'm looking at it bare, obviously with no eyes, but it's crystal clear. That maybe 2 feet deep right there, and just gorgeous. I love this country. I really do. I love this countryside. Just the people in it, and the government embarrasses the hell out of me. Just beautiful. And there's my baby. Same minivan, same line of cars. It's a blast though. Love these kinds of roads. It's beautiful. Trying to get around them on this road makes me look like a maniac.
Yeah, not very happy.
So this I'm at an overlook on what is that? 168. Beautiful countryside. This is sort of the southwest end of the Smokies. Excuse me. One of the several plaques along here, but what a spectacular sight. All right, so here we are in Rushy Ridge. Another viewpoint. Thanks to these kind folks and their beautiful orange big dresser with the baby behind it. Just absolutely beautiful countryside. More cyclists going by. Just lots of fun. Beautiful day on a Monday out here riding in the mountains. Here. So let's see, 47 miles an hour right now. The speed limit through here is 40. And a lot of these turns. Sorry about the framing. Hold this thing up in front of my face. It's a little viewpoint. Luckily not a cop sitting there. A lot of these turns have, well, here we go. Here's 25 mile an hour S-turn sign right there. Doing 52 going into it. Lifted a little bit. Haven't touched the brakes. Out of it at 44 miles an hour. Around this turn, 51, 49. Come out of it at 48. Without even squealing a tire. I'm not even close to the capacity or the capability of this car. 57, 56 into that turn, 51 coming out. So, I mean, I'm not even coming close. I'm not squealing tires. Although the roads are a little moist, as you may be able to tell on this video. Lots of these 25 mile an hour S's through this road. Just a blast. And if you're a motoring enthusiast or a motorcycle enthusiast, this area of the country, this area of the East and south or south of Knoxville in the Smokies that are the west of Gatlinburg, there's a bunch of these types of roads and miles of this type of roadway. Just a blast. Lots of fun. I'm going to try and do this with one hand like that, the other on the steering wheel. We're doing 34 twisties. And I'm just trying to listen to the throttle. It's a lot easier doing it with two hands, that's for sure, on the steering wheel. Miles an hour. Coming up on here, probably on a 25 mile an hour turn. This is North Carolina. This is just fucking awesome. Awesome! My GPS has brought me onto this. A fucking gravel road. For 2/10 of a mile, if you can see that right there. But it's brought me onto this. I love it. I fucking love it. I was hauling ass on a fucking 2-lane windy twisty. And it put me on this. I'm on my way to Greenville to a Marriott. And The GPS put me on this road. Oh my fucking God. 1/10 of a mile to Cross Creek Road according to the GPS. There's a stop sign right there. I fucking love this shit.